Last class we discussed exercise 1.2. In that we solved 7 problems. Now problem number 8. The question is, an AP consists of 50 number of terms, of which third term is 12 and last term is 106. Find the 29th term. Here, first we will write given things. What are given here? Given, it consists of 50 terms. 50 terms means n is given. N is equal to 50. Then, which third term is 12? Third term is 12 is given. So here, third term is A3 is equal to 12. And last term is nth term. So, An is equal to 106. So, what is asked here? 29th term. A29 is question mark. A29 is equal to question mark. So, these are given things. See, A3 can be written as third term. It can be written as A plus 2D is equal to 12. Call this as equation number 1. So, nth term. We know the formula. N is equal to nth term can be written as here n is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So n value is 106. Write 106 here. A as it is plus n minus 1. N value is 50. So 50 minus 1 is 49 d. Therefore it can be rearranged this one. A plus 49 d is equal to 106. Call this as equation number 2. By solving equation 192, you will get the values. So therefore, A plus 2d is equal to 12. Then A plus 49d is equal to 106. So sign change here, minus. Plus a minus a get cancels. So here minus 49d plus 2d, you will get minus 47d, which is equal to 106 plus minus 106 plus 12. So 106 minus 12, you will get 494 here. Bigger you say minus. So minus get cancels. 47 ones are 47 twos are. Therefore you will get d is equal to 2. Now d value is obtained. Substitute d value in equation number 1. You will get the value of a. Therefore, put d is equal to 2 in equation number 1. So equation 1 becomes, that is equation 1 is a plus 2d is equal to 12. So a plus 2 as it is, d value is 2 is equal to 12. Here a plus 2 2s are 4 is equal to 12. So a is equal to 12. Plus 4 comes to RHS side. It becomes minus 4. So 12 minus 4 is 8. Therefore a is equal to 8. This is the value of a. So now what is asked here? 29th term is asked. Therefore A29 is equal to A29 can be written as A plus 28d, which is equal to A value is 8 plus 28, d value is 2, which is equal to 8 plus 28 to the 56. So 56 plus 8 is 64. So therefore 29th term, that is A29 is equal to 64. So here we have to write the therefore statement. Therefore 29th term is 64. If the third and the ninth terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? This is the question. So what are given things? So third term is 4. So third term is A3 is equal to 4. And equal to minus 8. Which term of this AP is 0? Which term is asked? Which term is n is question mark. So here n is question mark, then it is 0 is given. So it is nth term. So that is an is equal to 0. Here take an is 0. So because n is asked. So what are given here? This one and this one are given. So A3 can be written as a third term can be written as a plus 2d is equal to 4. Call this as equation number 1. Now A9 can be written as ninth term a plus 8d is equal to minus 8. Call this as equation number 2. By solving 192, by solving 192 we will get the solution, that is a plus 2d is equal to 4, then a plus 8d is equal to minus 8. Sign changes minus, it becomes plus. So plus a minus a get cancels. So minus 8d plus 2d you will get minus 6d, which is equal to, it is plus 8 plus 4, you will get plus 12. So 6 ones are 6 twos are 12. So here minus d is equal to 2, therefore d is equal to minus 2, because here minus sign is there. So you obtain now d value. Substitute the value of d in equation 1 or equation number 2. You will get the value of a. Therefore, put d is equal to minus 2 in equation 1. So equation 1 is a plus 2d is equal to 4. So a plus 2 as it is, d value is minus 2 is equal to 4. A plus minus 2 2s are 4 is equal to 4. A is equal to 4. Minus 4 comes to RHS side, it becomes plus 4. 4 plus 4. Therefore, A is equal to 8. So here we obtained the value of 8 and the value of D. But what is asked? N is asked. N is the question mark. We know that nth term. Therefore, nth term of an AP, n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. N value is what? It is 0. Already given it is. N is equal to 0. 0 is equal to a value is obtained. That is a plus n is asked. Right? N as it is minus 1 as it is. D value is minus 2. So here 0. See, plus 8 comes to this side, it becomes minus 8 is equal to n as it is, that is n minus 1 as it is. Then minus 2 comes here, it becomes division, that is minus 2. Minus get cancels, 2 ones are 2 fours are. We obtained 4 is equal to n minus 1. But we want only n value. Shift this minus 1 this side, it becomes plus. 4 plus 1 is equal to n. Therefore 4 plus 1 is 5 is equal to n. Therefore n is equal to 5. Here we obtained the value of n. But what is asked? Which term of this AP is 0? Therefore, we have to write the therefore statement. Fifth term of AP is 0. Question number 10. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. So, it's a very important question. What is given here? The 17th term. So, A17 is equal to 17th term means A17 is equal to, it exceeds its 10th term by 7. So 10th term means A10 plus 7. Exceeds means extra, it is addition. Find the common difference. Here D is question mark. A17 can be written as A plus 16D. That is A plus 16D is equal to A10 can be written as A plus 9D plus 7. So here this A get cancels because it becomes negative. So plus minus get cancels. So here 16D plus 9 comes to here, minus 9D is equal to 7. 16D minus 9D, you will get 7D is equal to 7. So 7 get cancels. Therefore D is equal to 1. So the common difference is 1. Now question number 11. Here the question is, which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 13 and up to so on. So up to so on means it is nth term. Up to so on means nth term will be 134 more than its 54th term. So what is asked here? Which term? N is question mark. So I will write given things. Given AP is given here 3, 15, 27, 39 up to so on. So what is asked here? N is question mark. So I will write here from this AP A is equal to 3, common difference D is equal to second term minus first term, that is 15 minus 3 is equal to 12. Common difference is here, that is D is equal to 12. So what is asked here? N is question mark and also nth term is given, that is N. Nth term is, what is the value of nth term? 132 more than the 54th term. So N is equal to 54th term means A 54 plus 132 more means plus 132. So we will get from this, we will get nth term, that is An. An is equal to A 54 can be written as A plus 53D plus 132. An is equal to A value is 3. Write 3 here plus 53 as it is. D value is 12. Write 12 here plus 132. So here therefore An is equal to 3 plus 53 into 12. 12 3 is 36, 3 remains, 12 5 is 60, 60 plus 3, 63 plus 132. So therefore N is equal to, by adding all these here, 3 plus 6 9 plus 2 11, 1, it is 3 plus 3 4, 7, 3 plus 1 4. So that is 771. So it is nth term value is 771. So but we want N value. By using the formula, therefore N is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here N value is asked. An is equal to 771 is equal to A value, that is 3 plus N as it is minus 1, D value is 12. So 771 plus 3 comes here, it becomes minus 3 is equal to N minus 1 into 12. So 771 minus 3 you will get 768 is equal to N minus 1, 12 comes here, it becomes division. So 12 ones are 12 6 is 72. 4 remains, 4 and 8 48. 12 4 is 48. Therefore 64 is equal to N minus 1. 64 minus 1 comes here, it becomes plus 1 is equal to N. 65 is equal to N. Therefore N is equal to 65. So the question is, which term is 65th term of the AP is 134 more than its 54th term. Now question number 12. Two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th term is 100. It is given. The difference between their 100th term is 100. So what is the difference between their 1000th term? 1000th term difference is asked. So here given, let first term of, let first terms of two APs are A1 and A2 respectively. So here first terms of two APs, it is one AP, first AP, second AP. Then its first term is, for first AP first term is A1, for second AP first term is A2, and common difference is, that is D. D is the common difference. So for first AP, that is the first term, that is A100 is equal to A100 can be written as A plus means A1. For first it means A1 it is A1 plus 99D, and also 1000 term, that is A1000 is equal to A1 plus 999D. It is for first AP. For second AP, you will get 100 term, that is A100 is equal to, for second AP first term is what? A2, that is A2 plus 99D. Then for 1000 term, A1000 is equal to A2 plus 999D. So what is given here? The difference between their 100th terms is 100. Difference between their 100th term. Here 100th term is this. Here 100th term is this. So it is given that difference between their 100th terms is 100. So here difference between 100th term means A100 can be written as A1 plus 99D minus this term A2 plus 99D is equal to 100. It is given the difference between their 100th term. It is also 100th term. It is also 100th term. So we can write A1 plus 99D plus minus A2 minus plus minus 99D is equal to 100. So plus 99D minus 99D get cancels. What means here? A1 minus A2 is equal to 100. So it is obtained. So A1 minus A2 is equal to 100. Call this as equation number 1. But what is asked? Find the difference between their 1000th term. It is given, and we have to calculate the difference between their 1000th term. So difference between the 1000th term means it is 1000th term and it is also 1000th term. Difference between their 1000 terms is 1000th term means A1 plus 999D minus A2 plus 999D. So that is equal to A1 plus 999D minus plus minus A2 minus plus minus 999D. So plus 999D minus 999D get cancels. What it means here is equal to A1 minus A2. So here we obtained A1 minus A2. But from equation number 1 we know that A1 minus A2 value is 100. From equation number 1 we know that A1 minus A2 is equal to 100. So here therefore the difference between their 1000th terms, it is the difference between their 1000th term is 100. So today we discussed some problems. Remaining problems we will discuss in next class. Thank you my dear students.